Hello everyone, my name is Chang. I'm 7 years old. I'm from the Iraq, Hà Today I can talk about where do animals live. This is a opossum. The opossum is gray and black. The opossum is live in a tree hollow. A mommy opossum is carrying a baby opossum on the back. This is a honeybee. The honeybee are there is black and yellow. A honeybee is live in the hive. A honeybee is made of honey. The honeybee have a fire. The honeybee cannot see a color red. This is an eagle. The eagle is brown and white. The eagle is live on the live in the big nest in the tree. The, the eagle eats rabbit, lizard, small dog, uh, and this is the crab. The crab is red. The crab lives in the ocean on the land. The crab has the crab has 10 legs. The crab is between the seashell and the starfish. Goodbye.